Next up, the Forsaken Monolith. In this quick video, I'll show you how to find the weapon crate, armor crate, elite, and all of that good stuff. So, heading across to one of these final locations, for now at least, we'll start by obviously clearing it out from the front gate on the northeast side. You can already see from this little vantage point over here, the elite in the area just chilling around over here. Should be simple enough to get rid of. There's tons of cover in the area at least, and I think it's the Rosetta Bruiser, if I'm not mistaken. They are relatively angry. No, the Rosetta Heavy. So they have a bit more HP, and they are a little bit angrier than the other AI, at least generally speaking. So slowly chipping away at them and finishing them, we'll get a few things as a reward. And while we're here, it's a good idea to activate the teleporter before we go any further. There are, of course, quite a few guards in the area. So just on the way to the teleporter, we've already found the elite enemy, and of course we've got all of our kills done for the area, so we can activate the teleporter and find the actual things of value. Okay, so from this teleporter, head back down the pathway where you came from, and you should eventually find this section over here. So come back from the teleporter across the road to here where we can jump up and into this little section where you'll find this, which is the weapon crate, where you can grab it, and this is what we get as a reward. Just inside, we can also clear out the next areas. Looking to your left, you'll see this gigantic door over here. We'll need to head across and into it. Seems like I'm kind of stuck, so I'll have to go down here and use the elevator, surprisingly. Kind of a weird spot to get stuck in. Don't know why you can't jump out there, but anyways, this will take us up to the top, where I'll jump back down and use this little entrance over here. From here, we'll head in, clear out reception. We'll head to the right through here, then right once more at this section, all the way to the staircase at the end, where we can head up. And from this floor, which is the first floor up, we'll head out, then clear out these guards, and in the room just to the right over here, which you'll need a key card to get access to, which we can get from killing the elites in the area. Inside of here, you should find, through the left, this mystical crate over here. Grab it, and this is the loot that we get from it. We'll head out of this room, then immediately in front of you, you'll see a staircase which will head up. At the top of this staircase, you should find in the center of this gigantic room, this gear crate over here. Inside of it, we get these items. Then from here, we'll head back to where we came, which is roughly down there. And in this direction, you'll see this little red screen on the side. We'll head down this passageway. Then from here, we'll go up the stairs, and you should find at the middle section here, heading through this passage all the way to the very end here, you should find that in this room, we have another gear crate waiting for us here. Inside of it, we get these. Now finally, we'll head our way back out and make our way towards the Rift Anchor. So we can head over this and right towards this area, where through this door, you should find some low quality textures. Don't know why this is happening through this door. Oh geez, that's really crusty. We should find our way back outside here, and we'll be heading south towards the Rift Anchor. So in order to get to that, we can head up this ladder just to the right, and at the top of this, there should be a staircase directly in front of you. All the way up the staircase, you should now see a couple of AI in the area, which I've already cleared out, and just in front of us, the Rift Anchor. So right over here, we have the Rift Anchor, as well as another elite, I would think. Nope, never mind, just normal AI. And there we go. That's really about it for this quick guide. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.